Jackson and this is Jameson, and we're making fingerprints. It's really easy, and that's what we're gonna do. We need a pencil, some tape, and paper. So first, you're gonna get your pencil, and you're just gonna make a big, it's like a little spot, and you just like color that in. And Jameson, what finger are you using? This finger? Okay, so what you have to do is rub your finger in it. Get all this stuff on your finger. Wait, get up. Alright, you might need that. Yeah.
One eternity later.
Okay, so now that he has it on his finger.
Shiny.
So what you have to do is you have to get the tape. You gotta get a piece of tape. Hold on, get it off.
Oh, that's way too big.
You get the tape. Jameson, let me see your finger. You put it on his finger, or put it on the finger. There we go. And then take it. Take it off. You have your fingerprint. There it says fingerprint. And then you put it on to this piece of paper. And then you have your fingerprint. And then if you want to know whose fingerprint it is, what you gotta do. And then that's how you do it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Bye.